The MSI RTX 20 series gaming graphics cards feature nvidia's latest and most powerful GeForce graphics processors. This means next level performance and the ability to enjoy gorgeous ray tracing visuals. The MSI gaming cards are well known for excellent performance, both in terms of frames per second and cooling. The 7th generation of Twin Frozr thermal design provides the cooling for this beast. The new Twin Frozr cooler uses our patented and improved Torx 3.0 fans, which have two differently shaped fan blades for great cooling performance while staying silent. At the core of each fan are double ball bearings that keep the fans quiet and are also very durable. Thanks to Zero Frozr, the fans will only start spinning if the card actually needs cooling. When the temperature drops again, after gaming for example, the fans will stop completely to eliminate any possible noise. The new gaming cards combine a black and gunmetal grey design with integrated RGB Mystic Light LEDs. You can fully customize your setup, choosing from millions of colors and effects, and synchronize these with other third-party products in your system using the MSI Mystic Light software. The back of the card is covered by a gunmetal grey backplate with a dual brushed finish that, besides the looks, also helps to strengthen the card. Thanks to thermal pads situated between the backplate and the PCB, the backplate will actually help to cool the card. Looking through the fan blades, you will notice a wave pattern in the fins that make up the heatsink. This is part of the many clever aero and thermodynamic features inside the heatsink that help to keep the card cool and silent. The gaming series graphics cards use custom designed circuit boards, which are crafted with more layers and fitted with beefed up power delivery components, visible on the outside by the increased number of power connectors. This increases the raw power of the card and ensures stability when pushing the card to its full potential. For more detailed information about this product, please check out the product page. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!
Hey guys, this is Van from Gigabyte AORUS. Today we're taking a look at the best liquid-cooled graphics card that we've ever made. Hey guys, this is Van from Gigabyte AORUS. Today we're taking a look at the best liquid-cooled graphics card that we've ever made. This is the AORUS GeForce RTX 2080 WATERFORCE. Alright guys, in front of me I have the brand new RTX 2080 WATERFORCE. I'm actually really excited for this one because it's been a while since we last launched our previous WATERFORCE card. I think that was the 1080 Ti WATERFORCE. So it's been a while. So this is the latest version of that WATERFORCE design. Brand new block, brand new pump, and I'm excited to show you guys some RGB fans later on in this video. So I'm going to take this out of the packaging to give you guys a closer look. So check that out. So again, this is the latest version, the latest design. Because we have a brand new RTX 2080 GPU in there, we decided to completely redesign the WATERFORCE outlook. Alright, let's start off in front and talk a little bit about the design. As you guys can see, this is a completely brand new redesign. My favorite part is this window right here. It's a clear window, so RGB light is able to shine through. But if you take a closer look at the details on the window, if you can see, that's actually a falcon wing design. So that kind of just helps better represent our new AORUS brand. And to be honest, when this thing is lit up, it looks great. Moving to the second new thing that we have for this card, if you guys can take a look through the clear window, you can actually see a large amount of copper. What we've done is that we've increased our copper cooling solution, so you have a gigantic copper plate which cools the front of your GPU. That paired with the liquid cooling makes sure that your RTX 2080 GPU is running as cool as possible. Alright, moving over to the side of the card, you can see a third change that we've done for this generation. On the side over here, we have an RGB AORUS logo. This supports AORUS RGB Fusion, so it's customizable in terms of color and lighting effects, and all of this is done through the RGB Fusion software. Alright guys, let's move over to the back to go over some more changes. On the back here, we have a completely redesigned backplate, so it's more aggressive, more sleek to better fit inside your system. Also, if you take a look over here, we have another RGB Falcon head. This is completely customizable through RGB Fusion as well. Alright, let's go to the rear of the card and talk a little bit more about I/O. As you guys can see, this card has a massive amount of I/O ports. This is a feature exclusive to AORUS cards only. On the back, we have 7 outputs, 7 different video outputs. We have 3 DVI, 3 HDMI, as well as 1 USB Type-C. So what this does, it allows you extra flexibility to connect all types of different monitors, VR setups, basically any type of display that you have can work with this graphics card. Alright guys, and let's move over to the most important feature of this card, the water cooling system. As you guys can see, this uses the latest version of the WATERFORCE cooling system. We have a 240mm radiator attached to 2 120mm fans, and of course these are brand new AORUS RGB fans, so these are customizable through RGB Fusion, and you can change all the color and effects to best fit your system. This card does have high quality tubing, so you can be sure that this card does last as long as possible. So if you purchase this today, you can be safe knowing that this card will last you for a very, very long time. Alright guys, so that was a quick overview of the card. I'm gonna hand it over to Matt to go more in depth about the tech.
Hey guys, Matt here with AORUS to talk about our 2080 Xtreme WATERFORCE card. Of course, the main attraction for this card is going to be the cooling, so it uses an all-in-one cooler, a CLC cooler, to cool down the GPU, but it goes a little further than that. So if you peek into the card itself, you'll notice that it has a very large copper plate around the GPU and extending towards the sides. That copper GPU plate is actually connected by a heat pipe that goes to the memory. So although it looks like it only cools the GPU, we've actually engineered it to cool the entire card through one water pump. Obviously it comes with two 120mm fans connected to a radiator, And like all of our AORUS Xtreme cards, it is built for overclocking. This one is going to have a little bit more power headroom than any of our other cards. So if you open up something like AORUS Engine, put the power slider all the way to the top, you should get better performance out of this card than any of our other cards. So all in all, this is going to be a pretty beefy, powerful card. It's also going to be cool and quiet and one of the best performers that we have. So that being said, I'll kick it back over to Van.
So, who should buy this card? If you're looking to take the next step above traditional air cooling cards, this WATERFORCE card is definitely a great place to start because it allows that water cooling so you can push your overclocks even further and get higher performance compared to standard RTX 2080s. If you guys are interested in picking up this card, you can find it in the links down below. For the latest updates on news and announcements on AORUS products, you can follow us on social media over here. My name is Van from Gigabyte AORUS, and we'll see you guys next time.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.